Well, we're out driving around here in Old Port during this blizzard of all blizzards here in 2015. As you can see, the driving isn't particularly good right now. The visibility is almost nil. There's nobody out here except for me and the other snow plows. And I just wanted to take a spin around town just to show everybody just how bad this storm really is right now. Everyone out there who's saying you should stay home and not be on the roads, they are absolutely correct. Why I'm out here, I don't know. But there are very few times, even in the winter, where you see Portland just so deserted, so devoid of any people, any traffic, any activity. But it seems to me that the city workers are doing a great job, you know, trying to keep these roads as clear as they possibly can. But the snow is falling so hard right now and so fast and furious that as soon as they clear a road like Spring Street or Center Street or what have you, I mean, it just fills right up again. It's really amazing just how fast the snow is really coming down. So we're making our way up now to Free Street. Same story, nothing going on there over at Asylum, of course. And you can just see just how really difficult it is out here, just how really awful the driving conditions are. Highly recommend, if you can stay home today, you should do that, just as a matter of public safety. Plows are going to be out here all day long, along with other first responders and other public officials, and the best thing we can do is really, you know, stay out of their way, let them do their job. And as long as you were able to stock up sufficiently on, you know, food and water and have everything you need at home, heat and what have you, the best thing you can do is really ride out this storm. Shelter in place. Make the best of it. Now we're coming into Monument Square, and the wind just really picked up. I mean, I can barely see this taxi cab that's in front of me. Can't imagine who needs a cab ride right now. And we're making our way, you know, toward Monument Square. Gonna drive down Congress Street further, making our way out to City Hall. Oh wow, look at this. This road here is actually a little bit clearer, thanks to the wind. Don't see that very often. And now, of course, it's whiteout conditions all over again. You see just about everything is closed today. Post office, the city hall, businesses. I mean, there's just nothing going on. I've got these two guys walking in the street. I don't even know if they can see me, but they really should try to stay off the street. Only people working today are the fire department, the police department, the city public works, and probably the folks at all the different hospital facilities. Governor LePage did declare a state of emergency in Maine earlier this morning, which is certainly a good move. Much of New England is going through the same thing right now. But really, the best thing that we can do is just ride out this storm as best we can, take the proper precautions, and really, you know, just use a lot of common sense. Do not go outside right now unless you absolutely have to. These are definitely very dangerous blizzard conditions. I mean, you can tell when the wind picks up, you just can't see anything. It's just almost impossible to see anything in front of you. Just be safe, everybody.